Alright everybody, this is Brandon from Accessory Global, and today we are looking at a earpad installation for the Audeze Maxwell 2. Okay, this is a really easy installation. The earpads are magnetized, and basically you can see that they're marked with R and L for left and right. If you take off the earpad though, there's no L or R here or underneath here to see. You have to look underneath the headband where the headband actually attaches, and there's a little right about there. There's an L or an R right about there, and same thing on this side. So in case you mix up the pads, right about here there's an L and an R. That's how you know. Now in this case we have right side, left side. And the earpads are actually awesome because they're magnetized, and they're magnetized specifically to how they should be placed on the headphones. So you can see here, you have the little crease at the bottom of the earpad here. You want that facing down at the bottom here. And when you do that, the earpad will actually suction cup to it. So you pull it off and then it will actually go straight into place. Now, if you try to turn it around and use that at the top, it doesn't suction cup as well. It goes to the earpad still, and it will fit in place and stay there, but it's not as strong. It comes off quite easy. Whereas if you put it in the right position with the seam at the bottom, it actually gets pulled in really easy and right onto the earphone. So it only fits on one way, and the same thing for the left pad. Just make sure that crease there or that seam is at the bottom, and it goes right into place.